Let's talk a little bit about event categories. There are going to be times when you build an event and you only want to share that one event with a student, but more often than not, there's going to be a whole bunch of events that are being run in a series, and you want to share all of the dates with students that these events are running on. And a category is a brilliant way of being able to achieve just that. Telling the student, here's all of these events in a certain group or category, pick whichever you're most interested in. Now, as well as being able to filter the event page by category and being able to manually add different events to categories from here, some of the most effective ways to build categories themselves from the outset can actually be done in settings by going to settings and categories. Here you'll be able to see all of your available email and SMS template categories, but also your event categories. And clicking into these will show you exactly which events are part of this category currently, and they can be added to or taken away as you'd like. In addition to that, you can actually build and add categories as you develop and work on your event. Indeed, on the edit, type and category section, you can choose to build brand new categories on the fly, and there's no limit to the number of categories that events can belong to. But you might be thinking, well, how the heck do I share them? I've added all of my different events into different categories, and there's actually two really smart ways of being able to do this. The first is from the events page itself. If you navigate to the Share tab, and I'll make the screen a wee bit bigger, pick a booking form, and then you're asked which category do you want to pull into the event share. We can say live event in this case, for example, and then we have a web form link we can email to students that'll only show events belonging to this category. And the nice benefit of this is if you choose to add new events to your category in the future, they will then show up on this link. A second way of doing this, which we often see folks using, is actually on a Gecko form. So if we go ahead to a form and we add an event field and we save the form, we can then go in and edit this particular field. And here we'll see that we have the option of either pulling in a single unique event or all events belonging to a category. And in this particular view, we get to choose, do we want to show a calendar picker for the student, or do we want to disable that? And I'll show you the calendar picker just really quickly. At the form just now, we can see the different dates that are available for all of the events in our particular category.